Hello, today we're going to be going over the steps for how to create a Konica Scan to SMB address book entry. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar and press enter. Select Store Address, Address Book, search from function, SMB, then Go. Select New Registration, search from function, then SMB. Before proceeding, you will need the information below: the host name or IP address of the PC where the folder is located, the shared folder's name, then finally a username and password that has admin rights to the PC. If you do not have any of the information that was listed in the previous screen, you will need to contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT before you can create the SMB entry. Check the box next to main, the box next to please check to enter host name, then enter the host name or, if needed, the IP address, the file path, and lastly, the admin username and password. After creating the new SMB destination, you will need to click OK to complete the entry. Since nothing was created, the OK button was not clicked. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a Konica Scan to SMB address book entry. Thank you for choosing Dex Imaging, and please subscribe to our channel.